This is demo 3. We're going to create a new part, and for this part we're going to make a rectangular cutout. So I'm going to pick one of these vertical planes, and I'm going to create a 2 by 2. There's more than one way to make this 2-inch by 2-inch box, and I'm going to extrude it back 1 inch. So you can see the 2 by 2 box. Now I'm going to extrude 1 inch, which is the default. And now I'm going to sketch another rectangle, it's actually a square, from this upper corner. I'm going to wait until I get the green dot, very important, so I know I'm exactly on the corner. And then I want this cutout to be a 1 by 1 inch square, so I click enter. And this is like I'm taking a block away. So I finish my sketch, and then I'm still going to extrude, but this time instead of adding, I'm going to cut the material away. And it defaulted to 1 inch, which is all the way through. So I can click OK or enter, and now I have a subtractive modeling shape. I started out with a big box and I subtracted away this square, just like I had 4 blocks linked together and then removed 1 block. I could color my entire part by selecting it over in the browser window, clicking on the appearance, and right-clicking when I find a color or texture that I like, and saying Assign to Selection. Click Home to zoom in my shape, and we're done.